Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia X30, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, extend the list, and on one of the pages hopefully you can find a hotspot toggle. Looks like it's actually not enabled by default. Yep. So as you've seen, all you need to do is press right here on this little pencil, and you'll find below in the disabled toggles, hotspot. So you want to grab it, drag it over the top, drop it, and now you have access to it from here. Now when doing this the first time around, you want to hold this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize things like the hotspot password. By default, it's randomly generated and it's absolutely abominable to type it in, so I recommend completely removing it. Come on. There we go. And setting up a new password. Now your new password needs to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, both of them. And from there you can save it. And that's really all I would recommend changing if you don't know what other settings do. If you do, obviously change them to your liking. But from there we can close this, and whenever you want to enable your hotspot, simply find the toggle once more and tap on it. And there we go, it is now enabled. You can also see this icon right here that signifies that it is running, and that's it. So one last thing that I'll mention is once you're done with your hotspot, I would recommend trying to remember to turn it off, unless there was a setting. Let's see. Oh no, okay, so there was a setting right here enabled by default, so turn off hotspot automatically. I recommend keeping that on. This will ensure that you don't waste your battery for no reason when you're not using your hotspot, because it will disable hotspot automatically when it's not being in use. So it starts like a countdown when it's not being used. I don't know if it's like 5-10 minutes, whatever it is, and after that time it will turn it off, and it does it so it preserves battery. So there we go. And obviously you can turn it off yourself even quicker by finding the toggle and tapping on it. And there we go, it's now off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.